Once you have built your data foundation on an SAP HANA view, you can finish your universe by creating a business layer that specifies the folders, dimensions, and measures that will be available to users when they connect to the universe using one of the client tools. In this tutorial, you will create a business layer for a data foundation based on an SAP HANA view. Create a new business layer in your project. Right-click the SAP HANA project. Click New. Select Business Layer. Choose the appropriate type of data source. For SAP HANA, the connection is relational. Select Relational Data Foundation. Click Next. Specify a unique name for the business layer. Type SAP_HANA_BL_view, and then click Next. Choose the data foundation you created based on an SAP HANA view. Click Browse. Select the SAP HANA DF View Data Foundation. Click OK. The best practice is to manually create folders and objects, rather than to have the Information Design tool create them automatically. Clear the Automatically Create Folders and Objects checkbox. Click Finish. Click Minimize. Create the structure for the business layer, starting with the folder called Information to contain the most common dimensions. Select the SAP HANA BL View business layer. Click the Insert Object list. Select Folder. Type Information, and then click in the description text box to commit your entry. Repeat the process to create Time and Measures folders. Select the SAP HANA BL View business layer. Click the Insert Object list. Select Folder. Type Time, and then click in the description text box to commit your entry. Select the SAP HANA BL View business layer. Click the Insert Object list. Select Folder. Type Measures, and then click in the description text box to commit your entry. Toggle the screen to view the data foundation. Click the Toggle button. Click and drag the appropriate objects into the folders. Start by adding Manager, Family Name, Category, Color Label, and Color Code to the Information folder. Select Manager. Press Ctrl and select Family Name. Press Ctrl and select Category. Press Ctrl and select Color Label. Press Ctrl and select Color Code. Click to drag and drop the selected objects into the Information folder. Next, add Year, Quarter, and Month to the Time folder. Select Year. Press Ctrl and select Quarter. Press Ctrl and select Month. Click to drag and drop the selected objects into the Time folder. Finally, add Margin, Amount Sold, and Quantity Sold to the Measures folder. Select Margin. Press Ctrl and select Amount Sold. Press Ctrl and select Quantity Sold. Click to drag and drop the selected objects into the Measures folder. Note that Margin, Amount Sold, and Quantity Sold are currently being recognized as dimensions, rather than measures, because the values are stored in SAP HANA as simple numeric values. Turn them into measures. Select the Quantity Sold dimension. Press Ctrl and select the Amount Sold dimension. Press Ctrl and select the Margin dimension. Right-click the selected dimensions. Click Turn into Measure with Aggregation function. Select Sum. Click to scroll up. The structure of the business layer is now complete. Save your changes. Click Save. Once the business layer is complete, you can create a query to test it, and then publish it to the repository. Refer to the Run a Business Layer query, and publish a new universe file based on a single data source tutorials. You have successfully created a business layer for a data foundation based on an SAP HANA view. This is the end of the tutorial.